everybody, welcome back to my channel, and I'm back with a new series which will be called as What's Gone Right. We all tend to talk about what has gone wrong when anything is off its track. Today I'm going to tell you what's gone right in different phases of my life, and this is the first episode wherein I'll be talking about my career and what went right in my career and why I liked it. So let's get into the video. So the very first question that I'll be answering is why I chose this career. I chose this career because it gave me a sense of security and satisfaction both at the same time. Public health nutrition has given me a new dimension to life and to look at life from a different lens and through a lot of lenses actually that I see through the people, the kinds of situations that I go through during my professional life. So the second question that I'll be answering is why I kept myself in this profession and what kept me motivated to stay connected to this profession. First and foremost reason is that I was always very proud to be a home science student, and literally nothing affected that thing in me. And when I came into my masters and I chose food and nutrition and chose to be a public health nutritionist, it gave me a sense of responsibility towards a lot of people who really need my help. And as a nutritionist I can actually change a lot of things if I work at the grassroots level. So that kept me motivated that I can actually touch people's life and change it forever. So the next question is, what is that one incident that made me realize this is it, this is what I always wanted to do. So there was a time in my profession, I was working at AIIMS, and we used to do normal data collection, patient counseling and all. One day a patient came to me and really spoke her heart out and told me that for me you are my doctor and you literally changed everything for me, because the way I had started eating and how you counseled me regarding the diet, it actually took me out of the danger of a disease for all my life. So that was one incident where I thought that yes, I can actually make an impact in people's life. Next question is, am I proud of my profession? Undoubtedly yes. I have always been proud of first being a home scientist and secondly a food and nutrition student who has chosen to go into the grassroots level, to the fields, to the slums, to work for them and to make their lives better. It wasn't any compulsion or anything, it was my choice and I am very proud of it. Last but not the least, one thing that I would like to say about the profession that I am in. Firstly, every person or every girl who takes home science is not molding herself to be a housewife. There are 5 different domains in that subject, and yes, we tend to work in good profession companies, and yes, we establish our careers in this profession also. And secondly, if we have taken food and nutrition as our majors and we are a nutritionist, it is not necessary that we will be very good cooks because we have not taken a subject like hotel management or something. So yeah, you need to really change your mind. We do work at the policy level wherein policies are made for nutrition and the rations and things that are distributed to really underprivileged people. So yeah, this is one aspect of our career that people tend to ignore. So that is one thing that I would like to say about my profession, that it's not only about making homemakers through home science, it is about making powerful women through powerful subjects that are taught in that subject, and be very good and a very independent woman after you graduate from there. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, like this video, subscribe to my channel on YouTube and keep following me for more such videos. Until next time.